Hello, my fellow creators, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, here is my first card making video of 2022 and first one with my Shop Your Stash. So everything I'm using is something I had in my stash already. I will not be buying new crafty goodies in 2022 other than consumables such as cardstock for my bases, glue, tape runner, things of that nature. So today I'll be using this balloon stencil from Simon Says Stamp, the It's Your Birthday die from Simon Says Stamp, and the Positively Saturated Inks, also by Simon Says Stamp. Now these are the only three colors I have, but I can make a rainbow using these three. And then my blending brushes are just ones I bought on Amazon a couple years ago. All right, hopefully, let's get started. Now I have attached my stencil to my card panel, which is Canson Smooth cardstock, but I've attached it using some pixie spray because this is such a delicate stencil. We want to make sure it stays on as we ink blend. I'll be starting with Simon Says Stamp's Sunbeam, because when I blend the blush with a sunbeam, I will get an orange, and when I blend the ocean with the sunbeam, I will get a green. Thus, my rainbow. And there you have my finished card using only what was in my stash. I also made this one off camera. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better, the one with a bow or the one with the stars. Thanks for sticking around to the end. I'd be thrilled if you subscribed to my YouTube channel or followed me on any of my other social media platforms. As always, have a beautiful, safe, and creative day. Thanks for watching. Bye.